Whoa, I want to know where I can go when you're not around, when I'm feeling down. So won't you stay for a moment so I can say I need you so, 'cause right now you know that nothing hears me, and I'm obsessed with you. Then I fell to the ground, and she smiled at me and said, I don't wanna see you cry. You don't have to feel this emptiness. She said, I love you till the day that I die. Well, maybe she's
This job is as hard as it ends. I don't know.
'Cause I don't wanna feel like I'm not me. To be honest, I don't even know why I let myself get down in the first place. I keep my mind at bay. Some flowers still bloom at night, waiting for a minute till the sun seems through my eyes. Do I? Take it down, 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 down. Take it down, 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 down. Waiting for a minute till the sun seems through my eyes. You know you need to get yourself to sleep and dream a dream of you and I. There's no need to keep an open eye. Why would I let myself get down in the first